Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill data automatically in worksheet cells. This is a useful skill if you want to save time and avoid having to type the same data over and over again. Are you ready? Let's go. There are a few different ways to fill data automatically in worksheet cells. One way is to use the fill handle. To do this, select the cells that you want to fill, and then drag the fill handle down or across. Excel will then automatically fill the cells with the same data. Another way to fill data automatically is to use the AutoFill feature. To do this, select the cells that you want to fill, and then click on the AutoFill button. In the AutoFill dialog box, you can specify the type of data that you want to fill, and the direction in which you want to fill the cells. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D to fill cells down, and Ctrl+R to fill cells across. You can use the AutoFill feature to fill cells with a series of numbers, dates, or text, and to fill cells with a pattern. To fill cells with a series of numbers, you can start by entering the first number in a cell. Then, select the cell and drag the fill handle down. Excel will then automatically fill the cells with the next numbers in the series. To fill cells with a series of dates, you can start by entering the first date in a cell. Then, select the cell and drag the fill handle down. Excel will then automatically fill the cells with the next dates in the series. To fill cells with a pattern, you can start by entering the first character in a cell. Then, select the cell and drag the fill handle down. Excel will then automatically fill the cells with the next characters in the pattern. That's it for this video. I hope you learned how to fill data automatically in worksheet cells. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks.